Alright, Paul, what we're going to do here is we're going to make a part using a sweep function. So let's get started. First thing we'll do is start ourselves a 2D sketch. Pick a plane. We'll make this one an elliptical model. And go ahead and give it a little shape there. Dimension that out. We'll make that an inch. There we go. And we'll make that one too. Alright, so now we have our general shape here. We'll go ahead and extrude it out, give it a little material there. Okay, so now we have the pattern that we're going to follow, but we have to have a sketch that we can use that's your pattern can follow. So we'll start a 2D sketch on here. And all we need to do is just to project the geometry of the surface so that we can see an outline here. We'll go ahead and close that off. And I will call that the path. Alright, so we're going to open up here and we'll see a plane that kind of cuts through the part here. And we'll start a 2D sketch on there. And that's where our path is, our profile is going to be. We're going to do a slice graphics here so we can see the inside of this by hitting the function 7 key. And I'm going to just put a circle here. I'm going to use this edge where it intersects right there. Wait till it snaps. And I'll put that at 1/4 of an inch. Alright, now that sketch is done. And I can call that one the pattern. Okay, so now that you have a path and a pattern, you're now ready to do your sweep function. So in the Create panel, your sweep tool is right here. It's going to ask you to pick the profile, which is what I called pattern. So I'll go ahead and pick that as my profile and just highlight this edge right there as my path. I've got a solid output here. And you can kind of see a preview of it. And now you have a sweep that goes all the way around. Now you do have another option there. You can also use that sweep to take material away if you edited that feature and then changed it to cut material. Then you would see how it cuts all the material out around. You could also edit that and use the intersection function. And when you use the intersection function, it's going to just leave a piece of the material. So it's almost a negative effect. But we're going to go ahead and leave this for being built. There you go. I hope that helps you out with your sweep pattern.